Hello my Blue Flag summer friends. Shh! Today we've got a secret to tell you. One of the best kept secrets along the South African coastline. Would you like to know where the best Blue Flag beach in South Africa is? Come, let me show you. We're standing here on the Blue Flag beach in Nature's Valley. Imagine 3 kilometers of virtually untouched, pristine coastline. Imagine being surrounded by mountains, by fynbos, by forests, by fantastic estuaries. We're talking one of South Africa's best kept secrets, Nature's Valley Blue Flag Beach. Unparalleled biodiversity that you share on the beaches when you come down and enjoy the safety of a Blue Flag beach. Nature's Valley Trust is proud to be part of the Blue Flag movement in South Africa. Don't forget to follow the Wessa Yellow Combi every Friday on social media.